Now, what's up, everybody? So today, this is something kind of different for us. We've never done this, but we've got a 2010 Mustang in here with a leaky top. So we're going to replace the whole convertible top on it.
We'll try anyway.
No, we are.
We are. We're going to do it.
It might leak worse than what was on it, but damn it, we're going to do it.
It looked like it got so hot in the summertime sitting in the parking lot or something that the whole back window came unglued out of it. The top that's on it, the window's not sewn in. It's just urethaned in.
Yeah. So we're going to, we watched a few videos, got an idea of what's happening here. So we're going to
attempt it.
We're going to wingo it.
We can go.
So y'all stick with us and enjoy the fun that's about to happen.
Man, I'm dreading this.
Don't dread it. About it.
Hope you guys enjoy this. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff.
Like and subscribe. Comment. Tell us
what we're doing wrong.
And this is not going to be no tutorial video.
No, it's just a go in and get it done video.
So we're going to pop the seats out first. If I can find my tab. There it is. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, look down in there, all that water.
Yeah, and you can see it got caught. Got water in it.
Get all that dried up.
Yeah.
Not terrible. Crazy.
Alright, so the video we watched, the guy didn't take the seats out, but we're going to because you got to pull the side panels and everything out.
I can make it a little easier.
Yeah. Alright. There you go.
Well, it slides out, so
there it is. Pull it.
That was simpler than I thought.
Back seat for the 56.
Right off.
Alright, so this not tutorial video, let's so on these cars, the top
slides into the
goes in and it hooks to the back seat here. So anyhow, get that off. Take these top panels off on this non-tutorial video.
On this non-tutorial video.
And then take your whole alright, back here. There's another one of them.
Gotcha. You got pushed towards you.
Oh, there, right there.
That's half of it.
Oh, son. Well, let's start where we're supposed to, up here up front. And work our way back.
Killing me, Smalls.
Why? I mean, we can't do nothing there till we get this broke free to.
I guess, yeah. It's a learning experience, that's for sure on this one.
Alright, so there's, I don't know how many bolts are up there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like 10 up there. Well, give me the spray. And then these are supposed to.
Gotta pop them out somehow. I don't know what type of push pins they are. They're just that. They're just a push pin.
Are they teeth?
Yeah. You go. And there, it's got like a metal strip in there also. Oh, there's one more in the back. When you start pulling off, there's one more in the back of it back here. Yay!
One more? Oh,
In the back there.
under that.
All right. There's a bunch down.
All right, these are on the corner here. You take these off, keep them to the side they go to.
On this
So we
non-tutorial
reuse them on this non-tutorial.
video. Yeah. All right, we'll drop this out.
Pull this out. Okay. Rubber down through here. That probably. She said it leaked here, didn't it?
Yeah, it leaked in the corner also.
Here.
Yeah. I don't see why that second one's got to come out.
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to look at.
I don't think it's got to come off. I think this one does. It don't have to come off.
All right. So we done more.
We've done more too much already.
Go ahead and put it back on.
Either way.
Hell no, it's off now. Let it alone.
It's on. That comes out.
All right, this one. There's one. Well, I guess it's turned into a tutorial video.
Pretty much, right?
All right, now these little things. Let me get my down.
They bolt in underneath it. That's kind of crazy.
So these is, I guess, what's supposed to help keep it tight when it goes down. It goes right here, and most of them are bolted on. There's one or two, I believe, that are riveted on.
Well, I thought the same thing, but here's the rivet. So someone's already changed this top before, I imagine.
Okay.
That's definitely a plus for us.
Yeah. So get all these undone. Here's one. Here's one. There's one up in here somewhere. Put y'all back over here.
Get out of my way.
Get all these out. So there's another one right here. Okay. All right, that one stays because that's for the headliner part. Does these two right here come out?
Yes.
You done took them out?
I already took those out, yeah. And that reason why, there's supposed to be some bolts that go right here, and this side didn't have them. All it had was that plate holding it up. So I'm going to staple the top right here in the corner. Might have to note that.
that one was start wanting to strip with the gun, so I done good.
See this was they glued it in there, didn't they?
Oh, they didn't glue the whole job. All right, I got 2 rivets here.
Yeah, there's a rivet there. Yeah.
Well, my this back one don't got nothing, but the front's got it.
We may have to get some rivets.
That's fine.
And no, I think they just glued the seam on it.
Hopefully. Oh, Lord of mercy. Okay, no, that can stay, I believe. Okay, so up here, there's a rivet here, possibly one back here, but it wasn't put in on my side. And then there's a rivet up here holding this corner together, like I said, like that. You gotta drill those out. I guess you gotta get stainless steel rivets to go back in it. Or it's gonna rust. All right, so just keep on going down through here, pulling out screws. You got 1, 2, 3 right here for the side piece.
See, there's a strap around the back, right? Well, when you get down there to it, but I thought we had to drill it out, but we don't.
Just slide out, or
what's that? Yeah, that piece there.
I gotta pull all these bolts up.
Every one of them. It's just kind of crazy. I don't know why you'd have to do that. It looks like you could pull the 2 big ones, but the other ones are T30s. But the whole piece will come out. So this piece should come out now. But see, it's hitting on that screw.
Okay, so them 2 hold the top end, the T30s, and then the...
Yeah.
All right, we're learning today.
Definitely a learning experience. I'm not going to say it's a good one or a bad one, but it's a learning experience.
All right, I'm going to cut this off for a minute while we figure out our next piece that needs to be removed. All right, well. So.
What you laughing about?
This deal right here fits down in the back of this Mustang. Oh, son. And you have to pull it out, and it's not easy.
It's crazy how that holds it all.
Yeah, that's what holds the whole car together. Then you got these cables here that run back and tie into this horseshoe bar. Keep the top tight when you close it. So we got all this out. We got this cut up. We're about to pull this out.
That we don't pull.
Get all these staples out because it's got all of them plus 2 more.
Keep working at it, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna keep on getting this off, and we'll turn the camera back on when we make a little more forward movement. All right, guys, so we got the top completely off. Now I guess we're ready to try to go back on with the new one. If you buy a top for these cars, before you ever get ready to put it on, pull it out of the box, make sure it has a chalk line, because you line that chalk line up with this horseshoe back here. And then that should make everything tight when it fully closes and whatnot. I don't know if y'all can see that horseshoe. Yeah, you can kind of see it. So we're going to figure out how we need to go back. So we got the top on. We started stapling our horseshoe. That's what we're gonna call it.
Looks like a horseshoe.
Looking like a horseshoe-ish. Found our center mark. It's got a cut right here in the bottom of it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That's the center of the top. Found the center of the bar, marked it up here, and then there's a white chalk line. Goes all the way around it. You put that white chalk line on the top corner of the horseshoe. So now we're going to finish squaring it or going around with it, and this thing probably almost be done. Just a few more short things to do. That outside wood. All right, so now our next step is I think we're gonna get the horseshoe back in its little horseshoe holder back here. We stapled it all together. I hope you guys can see that now. Yeah, we got it stapled in all the way around. A little white chalk line is on the corner like it's supposed to be. Then this fits down where all these leaves and stuff is. We'll get out. Fits sits down right here. So as you let it down, it sits. When you raise it up, it hits on the top. And that's what makes it tight. Not gonna lie, we was pretty scared about doing this at first. Got it. Seemed like a daunting task, but not bad at all. Ain't been too bad. Alright, so put the horseshoe in his holder, huh? The horseshoe in his holder. My hat's done. Sort of, but it kind of hits the top there. Kind of scared. We started. That's what I was wondering. I think it's sliding. Tell you what, come out a lot easier than just get back in. Go to your home. The way it's good. Nope. Alright, maybe you gotta go in easy. Go your side. See, this one's always against the glass on this side over here. For some reason. Window. Yeah, man, you got to pull yours out, son. That's all it was. That's the hardest part of the whole day. Got me sweating for a second. Alright, got the horseshoe back in. Nay! Tighten it on the inside and all these other straps on the side. Yep, put all their shit back on there. Right here. Yep. See that fit down in there like so? Then we got to get all these put back on and finish tying the rest of it together and whatnot. Then put our rear interior back in it. Well, you got them within there, I bet. Alright guys, well, we finally got done with this old convertible top on this 2010 Mustang here. And for the first time doing it, it was not very fun.
It's definitely a process.
Yeah. But it turned out good. It looks good on the car. It works. It's a little tight, so maybe the sun will stretch it out so it closes pretty good.
A little easier.
Yeah, because
sometimes you got to force it down a little bit to get it to close. So.
But the sun should stretch it enough to get it to lay right. But it was the last few pieces we didn't show on video just because we was trying to get it done. But that was just putting the back seats and the side paneling and everything.
Yeah, that was it, really, basically.
Yeah. So we'll get the camera and we'll do a walkabout
Walk around on this thing. Check it out.
Dog right there, let me tell you. Top, it looks good, good and tight, like it's supposed to be, but too tight like it ought not be.
Definitely a learning experience.
Yeah. No complaints. This should be a better rear window since it's stitched instead of glued in there. So we're happy with it. especially for never doing one.
It turned out great.
Not a horrible job, just be prepared for a little frustration here and there.
A little time consuming.
Yeah.
It sealed up good.
It says 8 hours. It's about every bit of 8 hours.
Definitely.
As long as it don't leak, we should be good. If it does, it probably needs a few rubber gaskets replaced.
I think it turned out great, man.
Yeah, I do too.
You guys like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy this Modern Car Monday.
Modern Car Monday. Yep, y'all have a good day. And hit those buttons, and we'll see y'all on the next one.